This is the Syma S107G Metal Series 3-channel infrared mini helicopter. These run $25 to $35 each on eBay. We got 2 of them for Christmas, and just right out of the box, the kids were able to fly these things and had a blast with them. They're just a lot of fun, so we're going to take a look at it, and I'm going to show you some of the video of them on Christmas Day flying these things.
There you go.
Wow, that's yours! That's cool!
The S107 actually has a gyroscopic system, 2 weights on the top of the rotor mast that spin and give it a gyroscopic stability. The infrared controller is a 3-channel controller. It has a lithium-ion battery that comes with a recharging cord that plugs into a USB outlet.
I chew it!
Okay, here's one of our S107s. On the top of the rotor mast here you have 2 counterweights. This is basically the gyroscopic system right here that gives it such good stability. The rotors aren't fixed rigid, and if they hit something, of course, it'll just pop back and reduce the probability that it'll actually break. Oh! Well, we were flying it, the dog got hold of it and actually took out a chunk of one of the rotors, and even with that missing, I mean, it flies just great. It's really stable, very easy to do. It's got metal construction, on-off. Turn it on. Here we go. It's got a lithium-ion battery that powers it. Now we've got a recharging cable here. You just plug it into a USB port, plug it into the helicopter to recharge the battery. Okay, here's the controller right here. Up, down, left, right, forward, back. You got a trim right here. You can change the channel.
Alright, hold on. Let me bring mine in for a landing here.
At least try.
Oh, he landed! Oh!
Oh, yeah!
Oh, there you go!
It's got a...
David's getting pretty good at it.
Definitely requires some flying up. Well, use the trim.
Got a repair job in process. Anna is replacing one of the rotors. Actually, she's already replaced the damaged rotor. Put a new one on there.
I think when it's fully charged, it's faster and worse at controlling it. Because now it's so fully charged, the light is off.
Yeah. Oh.
And then the little fin under the tail under the tail rotor. She's replacing that also. They got banged up. Here's the little kit they purchased with a bunch of spare parts. That was actually a separate purchase they made.
It was $6 extra.
$6 extra for the spare parts kit.
Definitely worth it.
I think it was worth it. Yeah, it looks like it right now.